Assalamualaikum students. I hope you will be fine and you have learned the previous lesson. Students, in previous lecture we have discussed about average temperature and port of Karachi. Student, now our today's topic is import and export. Okay student, now I'll tell you about imports and exports. Students, the things which we buy from other countries are called imports, and students, the things which we sold to other countries are called exports. स्टूडेंट्स, जो चीज़ें हम दूसरे ममालिक से ख़रीदते हैं उन्हें हम इंपोर्ट्स कहते हैं, और जो चीज़ें हम दूसरे ममालिक को बेचते हैं उन्हें एक्सपोर्ट्स कहते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट, many of Pakistan's imports and exports are handled by the port. Imports are goods and services that are bought from other countries. स्टूडेंट्स, इंपोर्ट्स वो चीज़ें हैं और वो खिदमात हैं जो हम किसी दूसरे ममालिक से ख़रीदते हैं. ओके, नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. एक्सपोर्ट्स. स्टूडेंट्स, एक्सपोर्ट्स आर गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज दैट आर सोल्ड टू अदर कंट्रीज़. जो हम किसी दूसरे ममालिक को बेचते हैं, जो चीज़ें, जो खिदमात जो देते हैं दूसरे ममालिक को, हम उन्हें एक्सपोर्ट कहते हैं. Okay students, we can make a question here which is already mentioned in your notes, and that is question number 5. Students, question number 5 starts from here. Many of Pakistan's imports till are sold to other countries. It's question number 5. Okay student, now look at the picture. Here you can see goods in container waiting to be exported from the port of Karachi. Student, now the difference between imports and exports is clear. Now students, move on next page. Okay student, here are the some names of the countries to which Pakistan imports and exports goods and services. Okay student, Pakistan exports goods to the United States of America, USA, United Arab Emirates, UAE, China, Afghanistan, and the United Kingdom, UK. Students, these are the names of the countries to which Pakistan exports goods. The countries' names are United States of America, USA, United Arab Emirates, UAE, China, Afghanistan, and the United Kingdom. Okay, students. Okay, students. Here are the some names of the countries from which Pakistan buy goods and services. Okay student, Pakistan buys a lot of goods from other countries including China, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, UAE, and the USA. Students, these are the names of the countries from which Pakistan buys goods. The names of countries are China, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, UAE, and the USA. Friends, move to next topic. What are goods? स्टूडेंट, जैसा कि आपने पढ़ा है इधर इंपोर्ट्स में और एक्सपोर्ट्स में कि हम कुछ चीज़ें हम सेल करते हैं और कुछ हम चीज़ें ख़रीदते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, वो चीज़ें कौन कौन सी हैं? स्टूडेंट, इधर हम पढ़ेंगे कि वो चीज़ें कौन कौन सी हैं. व्हाट आर गुड्स? चीज़ें क्या हैं? स्टूडेंट, ओके स्टूडेंट्स, गुड्स कम फ्रॉम प्लांट्स. ये किसी प्लांट से भी हो सकती हैं. एनिमल्स लाइक फिश और द अर्थ. दे कैन आल्सो बी मेड, ये बनाई भी जा सकती हैं. एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ गुड्स इंक्लूड, गुड्स की जो एग्जाम्पल हैं उनमें शामिल हैं फूड, क्लॉथिंग, मशीनरी, फिल्म्स, फिश एंड बुक्स. वी कैन मेक अ क्वेश्चन हियर which is already mentioned in your notes, and that is question number 6. Students, question is, to which countries Pakistan exports goods? Student, answer starts from here. Pakistan exports goods till United Kingdom, UK. Okay student, we can make a question here which is already mentioned in your notes, and that is question number 7. Students, question number 7 is, to which countries Pakistan imports goods? Student, the answer starts from here. Pakistan buys a lot of goods till USA. Okay student, we will make also a question here which is already mentioned in your notes, and that is question number 8. What are goods? Students, the question is, the answer starts from here. Goods come from plants till films, fish, and books. Student, now you will learn question number 5, 6, 7, and 8 from your notes. Okay student, we will meet in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.